If nobody has told you the best trick to make Ghormeh Sabzi, then you must save this recipe. I have come to show you all the tricks for an authentic, super delicious and a royal Ghormeh Sabzi. Start by frying Ghormeh Sabzi vegetables, which of course we make sure is finely chopped until it turns dark in color. Do not fry it excessively as it will cause the vegetables to turn bitter. Grate the onions and sweat it in the oil. Add the meat. The best meat to use for Ghormeh Sabzi is either lamb shanks or lamb shoulder. Add the spices, which are turmeric, black pepper and garlic powder, while frying the meat, and add the fried vegetables. Add boiling water to the pot and add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste as the condiment. Add the salt to your taste and let the meat to cook with medium heat. And finally, the trick to a royal Ghormeh Sabzi is to fry these dried herbs, which I've mentioned them in the caption of this video, along with turmeric powder and pomegranate molasses. In the middle of cooking the meat, you can add some butter or ghee and 5 pieces of dried limes, but personally I don't do it this way. Once the meat is cooked, add the fried herbs and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And finally, add a can of red kidney beans and fresh lemon juice and let it simmer for a further 5 minutes. Just look at it. The aroma is all over the place. There are a few more tricks to this super delicious Ghormeh Sabzi that I've mentioned in the captions. Hope you make it and bon appetit!